Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Go to Blackmagic Design, download the program, register with your email, select your operating system and download the free version. After installing the program, open it, set your name for the project, these are the settings for YouTube videos. Add your files to the project, drag and drop videos to the timeline, you can zoom in or out any video from the timeline. You can adjust the position of the video on the screen, as you can see here. You can delete parts of the video. You can add text over the video. You can change the color of the text. You can also change the size of the text. You can add video transitions. You can select just a part from the video to add effect like zoom in or out. You can add music to the background. If the song is longer than the video, you can cut it out. After you add the song, be aware to check the song volume in the corner. The soundbar needs to be in the yellow area, not in red. If it's red, it's too loud. But no stress, you can change the volume. Put the cursor of the mouse at the end of the video and cut out remaining song. Now our video is ready. Give a name to the video and then render it. These settings are for YouTube videos. Now just wait to finish. And this is your first video, free and easy.